Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ convertible. It has carbon ceramic brakes, exposed carbon fiber ground effects, front lift with memory. The entire car is wrapped in PPF and is painted in Amplify orange tint coat with a jet black leather interior. All right, we'll start here at the back. So here's our trunk lid. You can see it's nice and tidy. We do have the cargo net back here in the trunk. Nice spacious trunk capacity there, so we can store some golf clubs in there, shopping items, whichever you prefer. We'll close that up. It has a soft close. We'll zoom out here, so it has the black leather dash. You're gonna see the nacelles painted in the carbon flash metallic paint, as well as the roof. Here's our engines. The mid-engine 5.5 liter flat plane crank V8 engine. It's naturally aspirated, producing 670 horsepower, paired to an 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. Coming back here, you're gonna see the exposed carbon fiber rear spoiler. You can see that beautiful carbon there. We do have the wickers on the back as well. Has the carbon flash badges. Step back here, you can see that beautiful wide body on the Z06 there. And then down below, you're gonna see the 4 exhaust tips done in black on the Z06 right in the center there. So it's an active exhaust system, so you can make it loud or quiet. We'll make our way to the wheels here. So we have the black forged aluminum wheel. Great looking wheel on this massive tire here. It's a 345/25 ZR21 in the rear. We have the black lug nuts, the orange brake calipers, and you're gonna see the carbon ceramic brakes as well. So you can see how large those are. Very expensive upgrade. We'll check out the front here. So you can see how massive those brakes are in the front there. And the front tire size is a 275/30 ZR20, so we're running staggered tires, 20s and 21s. Show you that caliper here. You can see it says Corvette Brembo carbon ceramic on that caliper there. All right, we'll check out the interior. So we have the black leather door panel here. So it's authentic leather, feels great, smells great. You got the beautiful stitching here. You can see that beautiful design there as well. Next, you're going to see the exposed carbon fiber on the armrest there. We have the Bose Performance Series sound system, 14 speaker system, memory package for your passenger. We got power windows, locks, your door release there. Dash, also authentic leather on a 3LZ. You can see that beautiful stitching there. Open up the glove box. We got the book in there. Here's our door jambs, looking great. The Z06 kick plate as well. All nice and tidy. We can see the carpet here with the carpeted mats, with the stitching. Here's your 8-way power seat with bolster and lumbar. We'll scan the seat here. It's a GT2 seat done in the Napa leather, so the nice soft leather with the black Alcantara inserts. Exposed carbon fiber there with the Corvette flags, as well as the Alcantara. Got the seat belt loops here with the black seat belts. I'll step inside here. You can see the speaker grill with the wireless charging station there. All right, we'll go ahead, close up the door here. Start back here, show you that profile, that spoiler. There's that carbon fiber. Coming back here, there's your nacelles. There's your GT2 seats. We got the exposed carbon fiber mirrors, the signals built in. More exposed carbon fiber on the boomerang there. A wide body here. There's your wheels from this angle. Z06 down below, massive air inlets there. You can see the rad there. Down below, you're gonna see the exposed carbon fiber skirts. And of course, we got the matching front spoiler as well. We'll feel down here. As you can see, the theme on this car is exposed carbon fiber. Up here, we have your front cameras. Here's our frunk and more storage down below. We got the divider in there, the 12-volt socket there to charge your battery with your trickle charger. We'll close up the frunk here. We'll just step back here. And again, the entire car is wrapped in PPF, which is a paint protective film to help protect the paint. You can see it's in great condition. Make our way to the wheels here. So wheels on this side. Those brakes are just something else. They just attract my eye. Coming over here, we have your blind spot monitoring. Again, that beautiful carbon ceramic, carbon fiber. Down here we got your power mirror function. Here's your power folding mirror. We'll fold that in. and back out again. We do have power mirrors or windows here, your power convertible top and your rear window. Bose Performance Series sound system, a memory package for your driver, locks, door release, trunk releases there, more carbon fiber. Dash on this side, so there's your heads-up display. You can see the leather is in great condition. Here's our door jambs, Z06 down below. In here we have your pedals, carpeted mat, your 8-way power seat, and again, Alcantara inserts with the Napa leather. All right, we'll jump in. Close up the door here. So also on the 3LZ, you're gonna get all the B pillars done on the Alcantara, your hood liner, your A pillars, and your visors. All right, starting over here, we got more exposed carbon fiber. Here's your vent here for your HVAC, heads-up display controls, dash streaming lights, electronic parking brake. Down here, we got your electronic telescopic and power tilt wheel. Headlight controls, we have paddle shifters on both sides, upshift, downshift, again, carbon fiber. Cruise control, Z button there. We have audio here, a heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, arrow keys, and your windshield wiper settings. All right, let's start it up. It's a moment of truth. I love that startup sound. Up here we got the carbon fiber steering wheel with the black center point there, the flat top, the flat bottom, Z06 down here. Let's try to get a good view. There we go. Leather horn cover with the Corvette flags. We'll jump into the center here. You're going to see the digital gauge cluster, mileage 14,878 kilometers. Up in the visor, universal garage door opener. Here we have the light sensitive mirror. It's also a camera mirror, so when the top is up, you can utilize that. Down here, we have the 8-inch touchscreen here. So let's start from the beginning here. We have factory nav. Oh, there we go. Factory nav here. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We have PDR. Great to have on a Z06. We have the climate controls. Here's your front camera. So there's the front. Throw it in reverse next. We got your reverse camera there. Coming down here, we have your automatic shifter controls. We have traction control, and again, front lift with memory, another option. Front camera there. We have the dial down below for your mag ride suspension, and we'll bring it back in the dash here. So we'll start from the beginning. We got weather mode. You have my mode, so you can customize the my mode. And you can see as we're changing the metrics, it changes all this as well. So we're in tour mode, we got sport mode, and we got your track mode. So over here, it changes all these things when you're changing that dial, so you can see what it does here. Down here, we got your climate control tower, dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats. And check out this beautiful console lid here. Wow, 2 cup holders here. Console lid, lift that up. You can see the storage with the media ports there. All right, we're gonna open up the door. We'll get the headlights on here, and we'll give it a few revs. One more time. All right, that's less than 3,000 RPM. I know if you can see here, it goes to about 7,500 RPM. So it really screams when you get it up there. Let's open up the, jump out here, and we'll put the top up. So I'm just gonna hold this button here and watch it do its thing. You can do this while it's driving as well. Check it out, all painted black under there, nice finish instead of that raw plastic. Here's the carbon flash roof. All right, in seconds you can see it's all done. The windows are gonna go up, it's gonna chime when it's all complete. And just like that, it's done. We'll close up the door here, we'll make our way to the front. Show you the headlights there, look at that. What a beautiful car. We'll spin it around here. LED taillights as it comes around, and listen to that exhaust just idle. Alright, so here we have it. This is a 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ convertible. It's got the exposed carbon fiber ground effects, carbon ceramic brakes, front lift with memory. The entire car is wrapped in paint protective film with a carbon flash roof. It's painted in Amplify orange tint coat on jet black leather interior. This is here and available at monroemotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.